So I'm here to review the recently published paper, Transfusion Guidelines in Traumatic Brain Injury, a systematic review and meta-analysis of the currently available data, recently published in Neurotrauma Reports. It's an open access journal. They found 15 studies that met inclusion. All these studies used a varying transfusion threshold ranging anywhere from 7 to 10. When comparing the threshold of 7 and 10, there was no difference in terms of mortality. However, when targeting over 10, there was a higher incidence of adverse events associated with the transfusions. There was some data suggesting that aiming for hemoglobin between 7 and 9 instead of waiting for it to drop below 7 to transfuse potentially has better functional outcomes. But the data, as far as that recommendation, was limited and was a weak recommendation. This may suggest that we need to balance the oxygen needs of the brain with red cells against the negative effects of more frequent transfusions. So perhaps transfusion strategy aiming between 7 and 9 may be optimal. But given the strength of the data, more data is definitely needed. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.